Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the hardware and connect to your POS for a brand new restaurant. To keep it simple, we'll be using a basic package that includes the main POS, printer, and a payment terminal. Let's get started. Before we continue, we need to make sure your main POS is connected to a stable network. Once your internet connection is confirmed, we can move on to the next step, setting up the payment terminal. First, we need to connect the payment terminal to the network using a LAN cable. And remember, the terminal must be on the same network as your POS. Another option is to connect the terminal through the same Wi-Fi network. Next, go to your POS, open Settings, select Payment Terminal and turn on Terminal Configuration. Our software currently supports 4 payment terminals, PAX, Digivu, Valor, and Sierra Sunmi. For this example, I'll choose PAX. Under Connection, we have 2 ways to connect. The first option is using an IP address such as LAN cable or Wi-Fi. The second option is connecting through the USB. For now, I will choose the IP address. Just make sure your devices are on the same network so the connection works properly. Enter the terminal's serial number. Once the system finishes loading, the IP address and port will be filled in automatically. Finally, tap Connect to complete the payment terminal setup. Next, we'll move on to how to set up the printer. For the printer, we have 3 ways to connect. The first option is through USB by using the USB cable to connect between the printer and the POS. The second option is using a LAN cable. Use a LAN cable to connect the printer to your network. And if your restaurant has more than one printer, make sure you connect all of them to the same network so they can work smoothly with your POS. And the third option is using the inner printer if your POS device has one built in. Now, on your POS, head over to Settings. Tap Printer and Templates, then select which section you want to connect. Next, tap Settings again and choose Printer. Tap Select Printer. If you're using an IP address connection, tap to enter the IP address. If you're using the inner printer, choose this device. And if you're using a USB connection, select USB printer. Once you've selected the right option, tap Connect, then Save. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.